Yo, it's your boy, your average investor here, and today we're gonna do another update on profit trailers. Now, they just recently had an update on profit trailers, and if you don't know what profit trailers is or what it does or anything about it, pretty much check out my last video. I'll put it down in the description below. But in short terms, it's pretty much a trading bot for Binance. I would put up my account right now, but kind of don't want to because I have to put in my 2FA code and all this other information, and only have one hand in use. I'm not gonna be able to work for at least 2 weeks or a week, so you're gonna be seeing more and more. Whoop! Actually, let's put this up because I think it might sell. We're gonna about to sell EOS. I'm gonna get a notification on my cell phone in a couple of minutes if it does sell. If it goes below 1%, then I'm just gonna have to wait again until the bot sells on its own. They recently had an update on this. I don't. Let's just stick here for now. I've been running it, the new update, since last night. Well, it's meant to have new notifications. I see. I didn't read a lot about it. We can check it up in a minute. I just want to see it to sell real quick and be down here. So where it says sell log. Within that one day or last night till whatever time it is right now, it says 10:11 Mountain Time. In Colorado, we made quite a lot of sales. I mean, okay, think about this way now. We buy small percentages. I'm not sure how much it would be, about 30-40 bucks, which is right there each pair, and it makes a profit on 1%, which right here you can see 1.10%. I made 30 cents in profit, which is not bad. 1.3%, 40, so on and so forth. Oh, I think we just made the sell. Yep, EOS. There it is. I made 35 cents just now. Pure profit, just fixed. There's no more risking it or anything. It's already set and done. It's already in my account. But it doesn't look like I made that much money, as you can see here, 732 or 700 from yesterday's video. But because it's sort of like compound interesting, but my money. So as soon as it makes that profit, it's going to use that same profit to buy inside of another pair to make a couple of more cents. So it's safe and it's good to use, in my opinion. I'm still tweaking it and I'm still playing with the new settings. I can see how they have this all highlighted. That's pretty cool. I like the notifications things on the heartbeat, DCA, the dollar cost average, normal heartbeat to check this stuff. Cash, I have no idea what that is yet. But I'm still not sure on the times, what time this actually closed in for the day. Yesterday it was around 7 o'clock at night, and it started at 0 again. So I'm trying to still see what time they count it as a day. But I already made $5, $6 plus this. I don't think this is all the way correct. But as you can see, I make some pretty good profits daily, and it's still, we're barely not even half the day in for 2 day. I'm thinking about putting my DCA a little bit more higher, which means saving a little bit more balance on my account, which I can show you here. That's my profit feeder. It automatically updates it every day. Right now we're running boring. I'm planning on changing right here. Instead of holding 10% of my portfolio, my Bitcoin for DCA, I'm thinking about 15, just because maybe one day there's a bear market. A bear market, and these go pretty low. So once, like this one, it has number 1 here. This one already bought it 3 times. So my DCA already bought this 3 times. So that's why I have almost like $120 here. I mean, let's check it actually. Why not check it? Let's check. Let's type in BTC to USD. Look, almost $200. All right. So once the only way you can consider this a loss, which $200 and one, I would say, one cryptocurrency. The only way you can consider a cryptocurrency loss if you sell it, but this bot is meant to sell only at a positive 1%. So I can hold it for I can hold it for a day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 weeks, a month. But once this sells, I'm going to get my profit returned from the first time it purchased the $30 worth of WTC, the second time it purchases WCT, and the third time. So I'll be making almost 2-3%, but from 1% if you think about it. So that's already like another $5, $6 I could be making once this sells. If not, if it keeps going lower or this goes higher or something, it's fine for me. I'm still making, like right here, I'm already at a positive 1.2%, but I'm just gonna wait until this hits the point 19% to buy more, which is buy trigger. So I'll be buying another one of these. It should move over to my pairs log, and then just sell it there. This is yet again, I'm still holding BNB because it's 50% less fees on Binance at the moment if you hold their own token. But the dust, I'm still checking that out, but it's fine. I mean, I'm thinking I'm just gonna let this do its thing and pick these up as it goes on, because I think it went down like 2 or 3 numbers, so I think it already took out some of their coins that were just being held there. Yeah, I mean, this is the new update that Profit Trailers developers have made, and I'm actually liking it, but I'm still trying to get to know it, so I don't want to say too much about it. Let's see. Well, yeah, this is just an update to give you a little heads up about this. I want to talk about my lending platforms that I have been involved in, but I think I'll make that in another video just to tell you what happened with that. So that's why I'm moving over to exchanges, which that's how I found this bot. There's other bots. There's actually another bot that just came out. It's called Eon bot. Let's check it out. I don't know where I found it. I just found it yesterday. Eon bot. I have no idea where I found that. I'm just gonna give you a little update about this real quick. That's pretty much it for now. Just to show you, I mean, I made $10 profit. Hopefully by tonight I can make another small video, or just give you a little heads up in the chat below to show you my profits. Like, I already went up to 54. Ooh, $754. It's not bad, but not. It's, I mean, who doesn't want money? So I mean, we're trying to make this work. Trading pairs. I'm trying to figure out what I should change. I mean, the buy spread. I think we should make it number 3 to see what that does to our things. I think it spreads out my money even more and more, and fucking crazy. But what's curious, and I want your guys' opinion, is if I do the max cost, which just means how much I'm gonna put in on each pair. So each time it buys, is gonna buy a max of 0.003 Bitcoin of whatever crypto it wants to buy. But what I'm thinking is, if I add more of that and lower the pairs, then I'm only gonna be, think about it, if I put 5 pairs here, put this to like 0.01 for like $100, or let's do 7. So I'll have 7 pairs of $100, 0.01 DCA 5% or 10%. Then I'll be having bigger returns and smaller DCAs to be putting back in. But should that make me more money, or would that make it wait longer? Because what I have right now is giving me where is it, small change pretty much, but adds up after a while. That's already 60, 70, almost 70 cents there, or it is 70 cents. But this is all today. I already made 27 sales. So let me know what you guys think. I think I'm about to make a video talking about my, look, oh, another dollar. talking about my lending platforms that I was in and that I'm still, I guess, part of, but I'm wanting to get out of it, and maybe even mining contracts and showing you how to make sort of like passive income, because this is just me playing, I guess, with the money exchanges, just out of curiosity. And in future videos, I'm going to want to be talking to you guys about maybe real estate, because I'm actually studying real estate, finding out definitions and all this other stuff. Look, another one. And stuff like that. I'm planning on investing in Robinhood. It's an application on your phone, which is an actual stock market for USD currency or fiat currency, whatever you want to call it. And because I used to actually play in stocks whenever I was around 17, 16, I had a couple of hundred and I was making quite a lot of money, but not too much to surprise me as much as this has gained me a little bit of wealth. But let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching. I'll leave the profit trailer link below in the description. Please like, subscribe, and thanks again.